Right, Train Intelligence Network. We have Coast Starlight 14, anniversary unit number 301. In the lead, 349. Nice little pan here. This is the Amtrak Coast Starlight 14. Its final stop is Seattle, Washington. It just pulled in here to Vancouver Center. It's pretty much on time today. Yes, sir. Couple ALC 42s. Yep. So a lot of people say that looks like a Pepsi can. And this one, I say it looks like a transformer. Yep. Pretty cool. Alright, 50th anniversary unit number 301 on the Coast Starlight 14. Its final stop will be Seattle, Washington. Unless they switch these engines out, it will be the 11 tomorrow. Alright. You're watching the Train Intelligence Network. You got the Tin Man here. Stay tuned for more.